Hazrat Ali described about the livelihood as a rizqo rizqane rizqun tatlubuho wa rizqun yatlubuka. There are two types of sustenance. One is that which you search for, and the second is one which is searching for you. فَإِن لَمْ تَأْتِهِ أَتَاكَ. If you don't go near it, then it will come to you. He said, Yabna Adama la tahmil hamma yawmika allazi lam yatika ala yawmika allazi qad ataka. O son of Adam, don't put the burden of worry of that day on yourself which has not yet come. فَإِنَّهُ إِنْ يَكُ مِنْ عُمُرِكَ يَأْتِ اللَّهُ فِيهِ بِرِزْقِكَ. Because if there is remaining one day of your life, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will deliver your sustenance. He mentioned, Inna Allah subhanahu farada fi amwalil aghniyai aqwatul fuqara. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala declared the livelihood in the wealth of rich for the poor. Fama ja'a fakirun illa bima muttiya bihi ghaniyun. Therefore, if any indigent sleeps with hungry stomach, it is due to the rich who has occupied the wealth. Hazrat Ali was asked, Law sudda ala rajulin baytahu wa turika fihi man aina kana yatihi rizqahu. If any person is left alone in his house and the door should be closed, then from where his livelihood will come? Faqala, he replied, Min haysu yatihi ajalahu, from where his death will come. He further said, Al amanato tajuru rizq, to pay entrustment draws sustenance. Wal khayanato tajurul faqr, while betrayal and embezzlement cause poverty. Hazrat Ali bequeathed Kamal ibn Ziya Nakh'i as Iza abta'atil arzaka alayka fastaghfirillaha yuwassa'u alayka fiha. When your livelihood is delayed, then do astaghfar from Allah Almighty. In this way, your livelihood will be wide. Istanzilu rizqa bisadaqati. Ask for sustenance through charity. Once while entering the masjid, Hazrat Ali said to a person, Amsik ala baghlati, hold my mule. When Hazrat Ali entered the mosque, فَخَلَعَ لِحَمَهَا وَزَهَبَ بِهِ. Instead of holding, the person went away with the bridle. When Hazrat Ali came out of the masjid, he had 2 dirham to give the person, but the man with the rein was missing. Hazrat Ali sent his slave to purchase the throat latch from the bazaar, and the slave purchased the same bridle after paying 2 dirham. On seeing the rein, Hazrat Ali said, Innal abda la yahramu nafsahu rizqal halala bitarki sabr. This man is deprived of halal, living patience, but he got which was destined in his fate.